Hi friends, this is a story about being at the grocery store, and there's a spot here to write your name. I see a shopping cart at the grocery store. I see food at the grocery store. I see milk at the grocery store. I see a cash register at the grocery store. I see cereal at the grocery store. I see a shopping bag at the grocery store. I see blank, meaning fill it in. What do you see at the grocery store? Or what might you see at the grocery store? Lots of choices. Have fun with this, friends, and you can read it over and over. Bye.